how to deactivate or delete Instagram account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate or delete your Instagram account within the app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, open the Instagram app, navigate to your profile, and then select the three lines in the top right to open the settings. Once in the settings, select Account Center. And then in Account Center, you'll have one of two options. If you scroll down under Account Setting and see Personal Details, select that. But if you don't have personal details, and this is a different account of mine, scroll down and select Manage Accounts. So in Personal Details or Manage Accounts, it'll look the same from there. We just want to select Account Ownership and Control, and then select Deactivation or Deletion. So once we do that, select the account you want to deactivate or delete, and then you can choose from here if you want to deactivate your Instagram account or delete your Instagram account. So I'm going to do deactivate. Once you select continue, you'll go through the steps based on what you selected. So go ahead and just continue scrolling down, select continue. During this process, you're going to need to enter your password for the account you want to delete or deactivate. You'll probably need to tell them why you're deactivating your account. And then by the end of this, you will have deleted or deactivated your Instagram account. If this video helps you, please give it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out.